Elon Musk's net worth as of today is around $471 billion. Kung i-convert mo siya in peso, that's 27.3 trillion pesos. Now, tingnan natin, if i-convert natin siya halimbawa ng 5 piso coins, ang 27.3 trillion pesos, pwede ba tayo makabuild ng The Pyramids of Giza? Kung i-convert natin yung 27.3 trillion pesos into 5 coins, that's a total of 5.46 trillion coins. Now, a typical 5 piso coin is about 2.2 cm thick and 2.6 mm in diameter. That's a volume of around 1.17 cm per coin. Now, kunin natin yung volume kanina na 1.17 cm times 5.4 trillion, that's 6.3 million meters. Now, ang base ng Pyramid of Giza is 230 meters by 230 meters. Ang height naman niya is 146 meter originally. Therefore, ang coin volumes natin is 6.3 million cubic meters. Ang pyramid volume naman is 2.5 million cubic meters. So therefore, Elon Musk could build more than 2 pyramids of Giza with his net worth using 5 piso coins. Makes you wonder, doesn't it?